What's up, Plastic Addicts? Let's take a look at the Studio Series TIE Fighter from AMD. Taking a look inside the box, you're going to be impressed by how much plastic is in here. There's 8 separate bags, decals, stand, etc. Then when you take a look at the parts themselves, clean, crisp, clear, and a huge amount of secondary parts that is going to make a highly detailed build. For what is, for the most part, a largely empty cockpit, there's quite a bit of detail in here, and this is what struck me about the kit mostly. There's a lot of extra parts molded individually, and what that gives you is a high level of detail you wouldn't get otherwise, and you end up with a great looking pilot and control assembly. There's lots of opportunity for doing detailing inside the cockpit and on the pilot, and the decals finish it off with the control panels in the rear window, and the 3-part cockpit housing goes together without much fuss. Here I just want to highlight the amount of detail you get by having separate molded parts instead of parts molded into the hull. Main body assembly is easy. Install the cockpit and squeeze the 2 parts together. There's a bunch of hull markings on the TIE Fighter, and the decal sheet has you covered. I would say the panels, solar panels, wings, whatever you want to call them, rival the cockpit in complexity, but they go together extremely easily. The panels are made up like puzzle pieces, and the hub and spokes are all designed to clip into each other. Then you just glue on the edge frames, and you do get some truly massive panels. Then you slide the panels onto the main body and install the hubcaps. And once you've completed all that, you should have a truly stunning, highly detailed display piece to add to your collection.